you. Now and then I think of when we were together, like when you said you felt so happy you could die. Told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. But that was love and it's an ache I still remember. You could get addicted to a certain kind of sadness, like resignation to the end, always the end. So when we found that we could not make sense, well, you said that we would still be friends. But I'll admit that I was glad that it was over. But you didn't have to cut me off, make it like it never happened, and then we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and that feels so rough. You didn't have to stoop so low, have your friends collect your records and they change your number. I guess that I don't need that, no. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now and then I think of all the times you screwed me over, had me believing it was always something that I'd done. And I don't want to live that way, reading into every word you say. You said that you could let it go, and it wouldn't catch you hung up with somebody that you used to know. But you didn't have to cut me off, make out like it never happened, and then we were nothing. And I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and that feels so rough.